Why trend is not higher highs? The trend concept you learned from the very beginning was never meant to help you profit. It was designed to make you enter at the most obvious location. If you truly believe that higher highs confirm a valid trend, then you are actually helping complete the market's design. The market's purpose is not rewarding belief. It is transferring risk, and retail traders almost always stand on the risk side. Nothing is impossible is not teaching you what trend looks like. It is exposing how trend is exploited. If you are willing to drop old beliefs, you will start seeing a completely different market. That is the truth. We begin right now. Markets need simple stories so people can believe. And higher highs are the perfect story because they are easy to visually understand, easy to draw lines, and easy to teach others. But you must ask, who truly benefits? The answer is not retail traders. It is those who need large amounts of opposite orders. Higher highs make you feel safe. And that feeling of safety is the actual trap. Because only when you feel comfortable, you are willing to chase. Markets require you to chase price, so it can complete the transfer of trading risk. This is not conspiracy. This is market structure. Structure does not care whether you believe or not. It simply operates, and you cooperate until accounts get hurt. This is the reality. You are not stupid. You were simply taught the wrong application. Nothing is impossible is meant to correct that mistake in a complete way. Open any chart you like. Locate the recent previous high. If price slowly approaches that level, the market is preparing, not a breakout, but a performance. When you see a strong breakout candle appear at that level, you should immediately raise your caution, because that location is where the market needs you to enter. Without your buy orders, others cannot exit. This is exactly what higher highs are actually used for. It is not confirming. It is attracting participants. This visual setup you can see daily, and most traders fall for it daily. Now you know how to read it. This is the first practical takeaway. Whenever you see the cleaner the breakout, you should be more skeptical. Markets do not give free money, especially at levels everyone sees. That is not opportunity. That is an exit. A real healthy trend is not afraid of pullback, but it will quickly reject those. Open replay mode. When price comes back, you must observe how long it stays. The longer it stays, the weaker the trend. This has nothing to do with highs and lows. Many real trends do not even show clean textbook structures, but they force the opposite side to stay under pressure. This is the evidence of real trend. If you only look at shapes, you will miss the real signals. And this method can be used daily, without any indicators, just observing behavior. This is how professional traders actually read markets. Now you are starting to learn the same language, and not retail trader language. This is critical, extremely important. When you feel you finally understand the trend clearly, it usually means you have been convinced, not that you understand. Markets do not need your understanding, they require your participation. The cleanest trends are usually the most expensive because they require belief. To complete the final leg, you are not slow. You are simply placed intentionally at the exit. When you stop chasing confirmation, the market has difficulty hurting you because you no longer cooperate. This is structural thinking. It is not exciting, but extremely protective for account survival and mental freedom. Now you always know why trends hurt traders. Not because of reversals, but because entries come too late. This is design. So please remember, trend is not about higher highs. Trend is about who cannot hold. If you take only one thing, take this insight. The more convincing a trend looks, the more you doubt it. In the next episode, we will directly break down breakouts and why most breakouts are designed to fail. If you do not want to be the final buyer, subscribe to this channel. This is not a place selling dreams. This is where markets are exposed. Markets are not rushing. You should not rush. Take time to understand. You will go far. Trend is not the enemy. Wrong understanding is. Now you know. This path is not popular but allows survival. Nothing is impossible. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe and support us to help make the impossible increasingly possible.